Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Data Partnership. So today I will show you more about data, means groundwater data. In my last video, I showed you that what are the sources of groundwater data, mainly the what are the groundwater quality stations and groundwater basically water levels where we can what are the locations and uh, these are the blocks based on the categorization, means in which block comes into which category. It was 2020. Now we have latest one 2024, so we can check that how many blocks means converted from critical to semi-critical or semi-critical to moderate or safe, right? So you can compare that if you have any particular study area. So this is the benefit of this. Maybe I will do sometime that comparison. This is 2020 I have. So but the objective of today video is to understand or to know more about the data, means the data sources and how you can use that, right? So I was doing some research on this. So there are at the CGWB, Central Groundwater Board, CGWB, they have lots of information here in their website, like groundwater level monitoring. You can They have National Groundwater Monitoring Network, CGWB, and you can check here. And Climate Response Monitoring Network, they have a lot of location of piezometric and piezometry in different locations, and other monitoring station you can check, because lots of government schemes are also working in the area of groundwater. I will talk about that also, not today. So there's a lot of information, and India varies. I showed you in my groundwater data video. It was my first video on of groundwater. So where how we can download time series data, right, from India varies channel in my so I will show you that in my uh, in next video, or maybe I will, what I will do is I will share the link of the same video here, right, so that you can refer that. It was like this, right? So we have I will show you here only. So I have clicked on this, and India varies, and this is the time series data, right? So where we can select the groundwater level admin. If you have admin boundary, then you can anything, right? Uttar Pradesh, yes. Select any district. Agra, select any tehsil block. This one agency, CGWB, right? And mode of acquisition is this one, or telemetry. So you can select any date and you can download the data. I showed you that. I'm not repeating it again, right? So we have, so here this is an important thing. So water level data, this what I'm talking about today. So we have basically this all data already in the India varies, but I just wanted to show you that how you can access from here. January groundwater level data 1994 to 2024, right? You can see that April May groundwater level data 1994 to 2003. Here April May groundwater means it's a different, monsoon, pre-monsoon like data. So you can download from him. So I have already downloaded this data from there. So it is like, January water level 1994 to 2024. This is a PDF file. This is in the PDF, and post monsoon, pre-monsoon, so up to the 2024. So if you see this data, it is a huge data set, and I am sure it is very useful for whole country. You can see January month depth to water level data for of unconfined aquifer, right? Here we can see we have state, district, block, village, latitude, longitude. This is the major main you know information and water level on that date. You can see here, right? So it is for whole country. It is so big and very informative data. It's a 10,000 pages you can see here, right? So how we will use this data? If we copy paste and notepad, then it will take a lot of time to convert this into, you know, in a ready accessible CSV, Excel, or say file, GIS file. So I tried it. I just found out a code about how to change this PDF file uh, into CSV. I also created one video, means few months back, about how to convert PDF into a CSV file. But that did not work here, because you know why I am telling? Because here no boundary is there, no table. It looks like table, but there is no, you know, columns. Mean we cannot see any tabular form here. So that is the difference. So there are sometimes it's a scanned, it's an image form. So that's why, you know, that that PDF converter code didn't work. I will share that link of that video also. So what I tried, and so this is a PDF plumber, import Ray and import pandas and PD. I have already written because it takes time. That's why I'm not going one by one. So I have given the input and this is the output file, right? So this is important thing. I just copy paste from somewhere because it's a big thing. I can explain this also, but I'm not the developer. That's why I'm not doing this, but I'm trying to be that. So you can use readily this thing. And so this is just the looping, है ना? Yeah, with rows, PDF plumber dot open PDF as path, and then what are the common we have defined here, and then it converted this into uh, CSV. So now how it looks like. Then suppose this one. So so it came like this, right? You can try a better way, right? Even it is not 100% correct. I mean, 100% correct means like Andaman and Nicobar Island comes into the district column also. Of course, all the information in the tabular form. Now it's easier than that PDF file, right? So because my intention is to, you know, to understand this and this, but I wanted to convert this. That's why I tried. So you can see here, if I suppose this one, so you can see we have the state UT, district, block, village, latitude, longitude. It exactly like this, but thing is that somewhere it is, you know, some information like Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman is there, but Nicobar Island came into here, but all the information are there. Not all, but somewhere it is giving problem. So more effort is required. So I didn't do that because it was taking time. Maybe you can do better way, so let me know how you did. I will try to do it. So but main thing is that I got this right. And I know because I have save file, other save file. So what I will do is I will convert this into a save file. So here I will add, and then this delimited text. This is my file. This one I will close this one now. uh, this one, yeah, open, and I will go down here, and points coordinate x will longitude, latitude, and add. Right, so now you can see we have these locations now. So I will just let me just make it, yeah. So you can see now these are the I have converted this Excel, this CSV file into PDF file. So what I did is that I converted this PDF, the means you can see 28, it's a huge file, converted that into CSV through a code is here. And I am and it's a very useful, you can use that, you copy paste from here. So based on that, I converted this XCSV into save file. So now GS format, you can see that, right? So and if we last in my last video, I showed you the groundwater water quality stations, water level stations, and our this blocks, right? So now you can see the blocks also. You can overlay the all the layers. These are the stations which we have discussed. So I will just make is yeah, maybe more. Yeah, you can see. So you can see. And we have this one also. Maybe I will just green one. Yeah. So now you can see that we have earlier we have groundwater stations. Now we have this pre-monsoons wells, you can say, or bore wells, or whatever you can say. So now we can say how, because these are the similar. It looks like similar, right? Yeah, you can see most of the many locations are the same. If you see here, yeah, yeah, you can see this one here one. Yeah, you can compare. Yeah, and these are the additional one you can see here, right? These are the this one is the means pre-monsoon location here, and yeah, maybe so. This is very useful, I would say. So why I'm telling, because if you see this Delhi area, suppose here, so we can see we have lot of groundwater quality station, and more many are overlapped, and many are the additional one. Maybe they are dismantled, or not the latest data and whatever. Means you have at least some reference. So now you can see in the 1994 and to 2003 they have we have data of the month of January, right? Pre-monsoon. So you can see, you can map this data. So we have the this water levels, right? It's a pre-monsoon data. So similarly, we have other PDFs also, and we can use that. So this is what I wanted to show you today, that we have a lot of information at their groundwater portal, and at the open source, where you can do your research and you can do your study, even in the consulting projects also, right? Suppose you have this one. This is our block data. So in any block, you can see that, suppose this is Gajrola, right? It's in we can see not Gajrola, any like this one, Hapod, right? Or Ghaziabad, like Ghaziabad is there? No, Ghaziabad, suppose, or Dadri, you can see. In Dadri, they have taken only one location, only at one point they have taken the measurement, right? But we if you see the groundwater quality station, there is no uh, other wells, right? It means they have only this one. So yeah, so we can compare accordingly, right? So similarly, what I'm trying to say is, maybe you can check. Similarly, you can do the 2004 to 2004 or 24 also. We have other data sets also, not only the 1994 to 2003, then 2004 to 2013, and then 2014 to 2024. We have a lot of other data sets also, right? You can see, you can check from the website, from here. So you can see, you can download all the data. Accordingly, you can uh, like so basically, then you can make an assumption about, and you can ask for data, and you can get whether your area is water risk or not with respect to groundwater. So that's it. This is what I wanted to tell you. So mainly, so what I did today is, the main objective was to what is the source, and how to convert into the PDF to CSV, and CSV to shapefile, GIS format, and to compare with the yesterday data, means what we have downloaded from Government of India portal, right? So what I'm trying to say is that we have a lot of data, secondary data is available at the internet. You can start from here. This is what I wanted to convey. Thank you. So maybe I will come with more detailed videos in very soon. Right. Thank you.